Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm here to share a video for the hashtag Friday Fave paper pad hosted by Helen. She is Cosmos Crafty Mom here on YouTube. It's where you share one of your favorite paper pads. It could be a 6x8, 6x6, 12x12, new, used, whatever. So I thought I would share today. So the paper pad that I'm sharing is by Parklane, and this is sold at Joann. And this is the Rustic Meadows paper pad. It's 24 sheets, printed cardstock, 6x8. This is a really sweet paper pad I want to share with you today. It's double-sided, and let's get started. So you start off with this really cute floral design. On the flip side, it has kind of like almost a wallpaper look. And there it is again. And this really pretty, it's almost like a greenish color. And then on the flip side, it's very neutral. So you can add embellishments to this real easily. And then this is a really pretty floral. And then on the flip side is this geometric design. I really like that. And here's a stripe pattern. And then on the flip side is this really pretty gold foiled floral. There it is again. And then another little dainty floral. Really easy for backgrounds when you're going to use a lot of embellishments. And then this pretty design, kind of a watercolor pink. And this is really cute. Hello. No, not sure if I'll be using this. This is more seem like for scrapbooking or possibly a decor. But on the flip side is this really cute green geometric. Once again, this paper pad is awesome as background paper. And this foil leaf with pink and gold. Super pretty. And then on the back, these little small floral design. And then this one is just ready for a card with your sentiment here. Super easy. I think I've used one of these just for that purpose. And then flip side is you have it again, and what I like is that it's opposite on there. And I really love this sheet. It's just some really pretty flowers here. And on the flip side is foil, gold foil design. And then this green with this gold foil is really striking. And then these little oranges on the flip side, or peaches. Maybe they're, I don't know. What do you think? Peaches or oranges? And then I really like this stripe. This is, I like stripe paper. This is really pretty. And I think I've used it before. And then on the back, you have this geometric, kind of like a gray design. So once again, this is the Parklane Paperie. It's Rustic Meadows. This is sold at Joann. And it's a 6x8 24 sheet double-sided paper pad. Super awesome. So once again, this is for the hashtag Friday Fave paper pad collab hosted by Helen here on YouTube, and she's Cosmos Crafty Mom. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.